Hey, this is Tony at Rut Manufacturing. Today we're going to take a look at a couple of our excavator cutters. We've got our brush mower right here and our brush eliminator right here. Two different looks of the brush eliminator just so you can see the blade carrier. Some of the frequently asked questions we get is what's the difference between our brush mower and our brush eliminator. They both use the same blade carrier. We've gone to the one piece on all of our excavator cutters, the one piece blade carrier. Both of these units use the same one. The biggest difference, of course, the obvious, is the flat deck versus a rounded deck. This is built out of 3/16 on the brush mower. The eliminator's 1/4 inch. The eliminator has your complete motor cover, and it's also got the 2 square reinforcing tubing around it. Whereas this does not have the motor cover, obviously, and no reinforcement around it. This is our price point cutter, but if you're looking to do 2-inch and under material, that's likely all you need. Brush eliminator is rated a little heavier. It's good for 4-inch and under material. Also, the blades are concealed under the deck on the mower. They stick out beyond the deck on the eliminator. So if you wanted to hit both sides of the tree to get something a little bigger down, you could pop one side, then pop the other side. On the motor configuration, it's the same on both of them. We've gone to the Eden motors, going into an Eskridge Barrenhausen. Use a Giroller style motor. And on the Barrenhausen, it's a direct drive, but it has a speed increaser in it to get the blade tip speed where you need it to be to give you the good performance. Another question we get asked is the Barrenhausen sealed with 80/90 gear oil. People are always asking, how do you check it? You know, it comes out of here tested and ready to go, but it's always a good idea just keep an eye on your gear oil, especially if you should get wrapped vines or anything, twine, fence, anything wrapped around it. Pull that out and keep a check on it. There's a drain plug right here in the top of it. That's to do that. Also, another thing on this Barrenhausen we get asked is a pop-off. If it should build too much pressure right here, this little valve will pop up and spit out a little bit of oil. That's completely normal. That's keep it from blowing the seal out. But still, keep a check on your oil if you should see some of that. Everything comes standard the same with the machine hoses. Some machines require a longer machine hose. The 8-foot machine hose is standard. Most of your John Deeres and your Bobcat require 10-foot hoses, which is seen on this particular unit. But one really nice thing is the solid blade carrier now, and we've also gone to the bigger 1 bolt and nut for them. These things do not require case drain. Now with the speed increaser, it's a Giroller style motor that does not require case drain, but still we can get the blade tip speed where you need it to be.